Space capsules, Disassembled one can make everyone be able to build houses. Why is that? This house is made in a factory. In fact, it doesn't need you to build it. It's made of modular, so everybody can install it. With the guidance, it's very easy. And this one is 68 square meters. It's very big. And they're from 10 square meters to 68 square meters. You have many sizes, many layouts you can choose from. So it's very amazing. And also with lights, with everything, wow, that is so good. And bathroom is over here. This place has a bedroom even. So, do you want this one?